Cash Advance app approval times depend on the AP's review process, your account information, and whether you meet the eligibility requirements. By the end, you'll know what affects approval speed, how to compare cash advance apps, and what steps can help avoid delays. The fastest approval process usually starts with accurate account information. Cash advance apps often need users to connect financial accounts, verify identity details, or provide information required to determine eligibility. Enter your information carefully because incorrect details can slow down the review process. Another factor is account history. Some cash advance apps review information connected to your income activity, deposits, or account usage before approving a request. A complete and consistent financial profile can make the review process smoother. The next thing to check is how the app explains its approval process. Some apps clearly show the steps required before you can request funds, while others provide limited information. Read the AP's requirements before signing up so you know what information you may need. You should also separate approval speed from funding speed. An app may review a request quickly, but receiving money can depend on the delivery method you choose and the provider's processing times. Check both the approval process and the transfer options before choosing an app. Fees are another factor to review. Some cash advance apps offer different delivery options, and faster access may come with additional costs depending on the service. Compare the available options before requesting an advance. To improve your chances of a smoother approval process, keep your account information updated, complete verification steps, and avoid submitting inaccurate details. A cash advance app that clearly explains requirements, approval steps, and fees is easier to evaluate before you use it. The best choice is not only the app that appears fast. It is the one with clear requirements, a simple process, and terms you understand before requesting money. Your next step is to compare approval requirements, transfer options, and fees from several cash advance apps before deciding which one fits your situation. If this guide helped you understand cash advance app approvals, like the video and subscribe for more practical reviews of money apps, earning platforms, and financial tools.